everyone, welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe, and the hardest part about going vegetarian for me was missing out on all my Chinese food. I'm talking sweet and sour chicken, orange chicken, beef and broccoli. But then I realized the only thing I was really missing was the sauce. And sauce you can put on anything, such as cauliflower. So in case you missed the title of the video, you can probably guess what we're making today. Cauliflower. Orange cauliflower to be precise. Let's get into it. First, let's get our cauliflower going. Set the oven to 425 and begin cutting the cauliflower into bite-sized pieces. A lot of people like to coat the cauliflower in some sort of batter and bake it that way. However, I find it just a little bit too doughy, and I really enjoy the normal cauliflower texture. So instead, I'm going to throw it in a large bowl with some salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and a drizzle of olive oil. Toss that around to get it all evenly coated and spread it out onto a baking sheet. The bigger the better. We want enough space between the pieces so the heat can really get to them all. We'll bake this for about 20 minutes. We want it to get all browned, but not black and burned. While that's baking, let's make our sauce. Let's mince up some garlic and ginger real quick and throw it into a small pot. Follow that up with some sugar, rice vinegar, soy sauce, and red pepper flakes. It feels like I'm missing something. Now, what would that be? Oh, that's right, orange juice. Can't have orange sauce without orange juice. I'm using really pulpy stuff to get that more authentic fruity feel. Of course, I could always squeeze a couple oranges, but I don't have any. Plus, this is way easier. Now turn the stove to medium heat and whisk constantly until everything is fully dissolved and mixed together. Now in a small bowl, we'll make a slurry out of some cornstarch and water. This is what's going to thicken up the sauce and make it actually stick to our cauliflower. Now slowly pour that into our sauce while whisking constantly. Continue stirring until the sauce starts to thicken, which should take about 5 minutes. Remove from the heat once it does. Now this would be a time I would stir in some fresh orange zest, but yeah. Cauliflower is done, so all that's left to do is toss this all together. I highly recommend serving this on some jasmine rice with some green onion on top. So let's plate this dish. Alright, let's do this. The sauce is just really refreshing and tangy, and the citrus with the red pepper flakes adds such a nice subtle heat to it. It really, really satisfies that craving I had. Well, that's all I have for today. Let me know how your attempts went in the comments section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
Nami, is that cauliflower yours? Oh.